All right, now we're going to go through everyone's favorite cranial nerves. We're going to start up here at the top, and the first cranial nerve is the olfactory nerve, and you can separate it into two parts. So you're going to have the bulb, which is up here, the olfactory bulb, and then it narrows a little bit and turns into the olfactory tract. So you've got one on either side here. So these are paired. Now we're going to move back into a much larger cranial nerve, and this is going to be the optic nerve. Notice that we're going to have an X-shaped structure that forms. So the two optic nerves come together at what is called the optic chiasm, or you can say optic chiasma, and then they separate again, and as they move posteriorly, these are called optic tracts. Okay, this is where the pituitary gland would have come out of, and so that's missing, and then these are mammillary bodies. These are not part of the cranial nerves. Okay, now we're going to move down here. This is the oculomotor nerve, and then off to the side we're going to have the trochlear nerve, same thing on either side. Then we go to the trigeminal nerve right here, and then we're going to come back to the center as we move down, and this is the abducens nerve. Abducens. Okay, then we move off laterally again, and we have the facial nerve, and right next to that is the vestibulocochlear nerve. So they are actually kind of paired. You can see two dark spots here. The second one, the one more lateral, is vestibulocochlear nerve. Then we're going to move down here, and there are two nerves that are right next to each other. The one that is up here is the glossopharyngeal nerve, and just below that is the vagus nerve. We have two left. The accessory nerve is interesting. It's got a whole bunch of areas where it comes out off of the spinal cord, so this is accessory nerve. And then right here is the hypoglossal nerve, hypoglossal.